Today, I'll show you a free and easy way to fade an image into a gradient background in Canva. So let's get started. All right, first open Canva and click on the plus icon to create a new design. You can choose any size you want, but I'm going to use a poster size for this tutorial. Once the design opens, the first thing we'll do is add a gradient background. Now go to the Elements and search for Gradient Background. You'll see both photos and graphics here. I'm going to open the Graphics section and browse until I find a gradient that looks good. This one looks perfect, so I'll add it to the canvas, then right-click on it and set it as the background. Next, we need to add our image. I've already uploaded my image, so I'll insert it onto the canvas. First, I'll remove the background, then resize the image, make it bigger, and center align it so everything looks clean. Now comes the most important part, fading the image. For this, we'll use a free Canva app. Go to Apps, search for Image Blender, and open it. Inside this app, you'll see 3 different tools. I've already uploaded a detailed tutorial about this app on my YouTube channel, and I'll also leave the link in the description if you want to learn everything about it. For now, I'll use the Linear tool. Once you click on Linear, you'll see 2 points added to your image. You can move and adjust these points to control how the image fades into the background. You can also use the Strength slider to make the fade softer or stronger depending on the look you want. Once you're happy with the fade effect, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Now, add the image again, remove its background, and adjust its position like this so it sits nicely on top of the faded version. This helps the main subject stay sharp while the fade blends smoothly into the background. Next, let's add a border around the image. Press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Go to the color options and make it transparent, then add a border. Set the thickness to around 10 pixels. Adjust the size. To make it look even better, I'll slightly round the corners. Now I'll crop the solid image from the bottom so it looks like the subject is coming out of the shape. Finally, I'll adjust the size and position of the faded image to balance the overall design. And that's it. This is how you can easily fade an image into a gradient background in Canva using a free app. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to Repixo, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.